So for the last several months, I've been twisting my hair. I like changing my style, changing my look every once in a while, so I went to the hair store and I got the now famous orange and black sponge brush. Took it home just to see what it would do on my hair. To my surprise, within minutes, it twisted my hair all the way down to the scalp. At the time, my hair was about a ½ inch long, but I still thought it was pretty cool. So as it grew, I continued the same process, and every time I got the same result. It would twist my hair right down to the scalp within minutes. I then incorporated this into my hairstyle, which is a nice fade around the back and sides, and leaving it high on the top, and then giving myself a nice edge around, shaping my face with my beard and all. So that's been my main look now for a while. So I incorporated these twists into that look, and this is the result. So this is how my hair looks after I wash and dry it. You know, a little fro kind of thing on top of my head, and then I just start twisting. Now you can twist in a counterclockwise or a clockwise direction, but whatever way you start, that's the way you want to continue from start to finish. And you can see within less than a minute, my hair is already twisted. Now in this video, my hair is about 2 inches long, maybe 2.5 inches long at the longest parts of it, but you can see how it separates itself. I didn't have to part it or, divide it. I'm sure that may be something that you may want to do if you're locking your hair or if you're actually starting a dread process, but that's not my intent. I just like the way it looks twisted. So even at 2 inches long, you can see it just twists right up. Now, I don't necessarily desire to have, even lines down at the base of my scalp separating each twist. I kind of like that frizziness down around the base. But to each his own. Now, the longest parts of my hair are close to the front, and you can see that they don't necessarily separate that well, but as I continue to brush in a circular motion, you can see that they do actually begin to separate themselves. Those big clump twists actually separate into smaller twists. Now for you, you may need to actually stop and divide your hair, maybe, part it apart. Round and round she goes. Now, I wash my hair about once a week. It does get naturally oily after a day or so, but during the fall, winter months, sometimes I might put a little moisturizer in there to kickstart the process, but normally it moisturizes itself within a day or so. But again, you know your hair, so you treat it accordingly. I've been getting a lot of inquiries from guys and gals, but mostly guys, asking if I was dreading up or, trying to lock it and all that kind of stuff. But that's never been my intention. I really don't care to have dreads. And as far as the locking process, I'm not sure what that is. I've heard of it. That's definitely not what I was intending to do. I just like the way my hair looked twisted. So I decided after the many inquiries I was getting to just put together a video. Like I said, it's just an orange and black sponge brush that everybody knows about. You can get it at pretty much any black hair care store, where they sell weave and brushes and all that other stuff, wigs, creams and all that, and see what results you get. As you can see, it twists all the way down to the base. It's a little frizzy down there, which is the way I like it. And then it's just a matter of edging myself up, getting my beard right, dialing it at the top. Got a little part on the side, and that's my look, my twisted hair.